Hi, it's Dave with Able Air. Today I would like to discuss Zuglia. Lots of our customers in the Southwest Florida region experience Zuglia. We're going to put some slides on the screen that are going to be better than this paper. Faith did an excellent job making all these, so let's give her a little shout out. These pictures were taken, I believe, from our customers. A lot of this information we gathered online. But Zuglia is a microscopic bacteria that clogs up the drain lines. Now, none of this literature mentions that it has to do with taking the copper out of the evaporator coils. This was a problem that 5 years ago I don't really remember seeing very much of. It's gotten pretty common. A lot of our customers deal with it. We get calls with questions about it, so I think this is going to be a great video. Here's what it can look like in the drains when we plug it out. That water and flow being impeded will cause all kinds of dripping or float switches going off, AC failures really until it's corrected. There's a couple things we're going to do to stay ahead of the Zuglia. One of the main ones is this evaporator coil cleaner, this Viper product. This is a Florida company. A lot of these unique situations that we have solutions for were actually figured out by Florida product distributors. So this food safe, OEM approved for aluminum and microchannel, and it doesn't hurt the rubber or the plastic or the things we have to worry about damaging when applying to the coils. I've had a lot of success with this. Sometimes it needs to be put on pretty frequently. It works for a few days after it's being applied to the coil. Then another product on every maintenance that we would be applying is this Viper pan treatment. Again, it's safe for all those surfaces to go on. There is some silicone and a few things in here that are going to help it slow release. Adding this to the drain pan works in addition to that green cleaner that we're applying directly to the coil. This isn't something that you really call us out for. This is a routine maintenance item, and it is an important part of what you're going to be getting included with your annual maintenance visits. There are going to be situations, and I'll use this for example. In the situation where we see it building up on the pipe, the enzymes will loosen that up. It will help prevent it from getting any worse. This product is very aggressive cleaner. It's got to be done correctly. It can be dangerous if you apply it incorrectly or if you let it get on your skin especially. But after applying the drain solve, the pipe will look like new. It'll look like a brand new copper pipe. It will get all the organic matter out of there. That's something that we don't think you need frequently. The technicians may recommend it if they're noticing some of the symptoms there. And also, if you've been having drain issues or we know there's Zuglia, we want to start with that drain solve when we start with the enzyme products. That way we're not breaking it up into piles of worse parts of it. So I hope you found this helpful. Give us a comment or reach out to us if you have any further questions about it.